guys doing? I want to say a big thank you to all Party Shop NG's followers, subscribers, and our family and friends who have been sharing our videos and dropping comments and also giving us a thumbs up. I am grateful, guys. I heart you guys. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie a balloon. Firstly, just a balloon, and secondly, with a ribbon. I've always had a lot of inquiries from our followers and subscribers about how to tie a balloon. I always hear, I'm trying to tie my balloon but I'm having difficulty with it. Please, can you show me how to? So I'm going to do a video today. For this video, there are 3 items I need. First is the balloon pump, secondly is the balloon, and thirdly is the ribbon that we're going to tie the balloon with. So what I'm going to do first of all is to go ahead and pump the balloon with the balloon pump. So I'm going to pump it to the desired size that I want. So when you pump, you keep pumping to the size that you want. If it's a 5-inch balloon, once it's filled, you stop. If it's an 11-inch balloon, when it gets to the size, you stop, because this is a very important part. So now I've gotten to the size that I want it to be. So what I'm going to do, why you have to stop at the right size is because if you overfill the balloon beyond its capacity, you will not have this part of the balloon for you to tie. It's going to be stressful. So in that case, what can happen is you just release some air. I'm going to release some air, not because I have to, but just to show you guys what it looks like. So you're going to pinch the neck of the balloon with one hand, and with the other hand you're going to stretch the mouth of the balloon, and then you make a loop. Quite easy, right? You make a loop and pass it through the hole that you make, and that's it. You have tied your balloon. And then to add a ribbon is pretty simple. I'm going to show you one way in this video. In another video, I'm going to show you another way. What you just need to do is take your ribbon, also make a loop, pass it through the hole, and make it firm. That's it. So you have your coiling